सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा। हम बुलबुले इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का। पर्वत सबसे ऊंचा, हम साया आसमां का। वो संदरी हमारा, वो संदरी हमारा, वो पासबा हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ। गुलशन है जिसके दम से, गुलशन है जिसके दम से, रश के जिना हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा। हम बुलबुले इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदोसिता हमारा हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा।
SSF, Sunni Students Federation of India, National Committee, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We the people of India celebrate 74th Independence Day of our nation. This was the day in 1947 when we got independence, when we got freedom from the British rule. We are fortunate that our forefathers fought for us and gave us a land of peace. So many great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, Maulana Muhammad Ali, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh have sacrificed their lives for the freedom and independence of our nation. We remember all of them. In this time, we have some questions. Is this the same India that our great leaders of the past dreamed of? What's our present status quo? What's the stage of democracy? What's the status of Indian economy? We are competing with the poorest of the world nations for the first place in poverty and underdevelopment. We have so many challenges: poverty, unemployment, educational system, and illiteracy, suicide level of farmers, security of our sisters and girls. How many children lost their lives owing to the lack of oxygen? Here, today we are losing the glory of the line pinned down. We are losing the glory of the lines penned down by the great poet Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truths, where tireless striving stretches its arms toward perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way, in the dreary desert sand of dead habits, where the mind led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Through this line, we have to analyze the present condition of our great, the largest and greatest democratic country of the world, our motherland. The freedom of opinion, the fundamental rights of people, the democratic vision of our leaders, we have to analyze through this line. Anyway, we should keep our nation with its own fundamental values and our constitution with its own greatness and wideness. My brothers and sisters, Allama Iqbal says, "हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी, ये गुलिस्तान हमारा." We have to keep and serve our unity and integrity. We have to know about our strengths and values. We have to develop our country. The youth of our country has the ability to change the nation. As it rightly said, that the future depends on the young generation. So it's our duty to serve this nation and make every possible effort to make our country a better one. One of the main motives for the celebration of Independence Day is to make our youth aware of our glorious history of independence and seek inspiration and hope from that and work towards making a better tomorrow. And also, we have to overcome the pandemic situation with unity and better health service. We have to secure the fundamental needs of our citizens. Wish you all the best, and I would like to say that we must be proud to be Indian. So let us celebrate today with great joy. Thank you for all. SSF India.